If you are planning to buy a lightweight drone right now, you need to freeze and hold your money immediately. The drone industry is about to undergo its most disruptive shift in history, and it is happening inside an aircraft frame that weighs less than 249 grams. The absolute definitive internal supply chain leaks for the highly anticipated DJI Mini 6 Pro reveal that the boundaries of what sub-250-gram drones can legally and physically achieve have been completely shattered. This shift effectively renders mid-tier and even some enterprise drones completely obsolete. Massive architectural shifts coming straight from manufacturing pipelines are changing portable aerial filmmaking forever. The crown jewel of this upcoming release is a massive engineering triumph. A true 1-inch stacked CMOS imaging sensor paired with a mechanical variable aperture ranging from f1.8 down to f11. For years, creators flying lightweight drones have faced a frustrating bottleneck. The tiny 1/1.3-inch sensors struggled in dynamic lighting, blowing out highlights or drowning shadows in digital noise. By moving to a stacked architecture, the pixel circuitry is separated from the light-gathering photodiodes. This allows the sensor to capture an astonishing amount of light while processing data at lightning-fast speeds. This architectural shift completely eliminates rolling shutter and jello distortion, even when tracking fast-moving subjects at high speeds. The inclusion of a mechanical variable aperture truly alters the production workflow. Previously, flying a mini drone meant constantly landing to swap physical ND filters as the sun moved behind clouds. With the Mini 6 Pro, you can adjust your aperture on the fly directly from your remote controller. If you are shooting at high noon, you can stop down to f11 to maintain a natural shutter angle. If you are catching the final moments of golden hour, you can open wide to f1.8 to flood the sensor with light. This camera system outputs true, uncompressed 6K video at 60 frames per second and 4K video at a buttery-smooth 120 frames per second for ultra-high-definition slow motion. This level of resolution allows you to crop into your footage during post-production without losing the crisp detail required for high-end commercial projects. Equally significant is how the low-light safety issue has been solved. The Mini 6 Pro introduces a revolutionary Nightscape LiDAR system, an industry first for an ultra-lightweight aircraft. Standard binocular vision sensors rely heavily on visible ambient light to detect obstacles, meaning omnidirectional avoidance becomes practically useless when flying at night or in low-light environments. The Nightscape LiDAR system projects millions of invisible laser pulses every single second, creating a real-time, millimeter-precise, three-dimensional cloud of the surrounding environment. This allows the drone to actively perceive trees, power lines, and structures in pitch-black darkness, ensuring uncrashable autonomy during complex night flights. Combined with an upgraded Active Track 360 system powered by a dedicated onboard artificial intelligence processor, the drone can navigate thick forest canopies or tight urban corridors while maintaining absolute tracking lock on the subject. Aviation regulations across the United States, Europe, and other premium markets have strictly enforced the 249-gram threshold to exempt pilots from tedious registration and restrictive flight permits. Packing a massive 1-inch sensor, a mechanical gimbal, and a LiDAR array into this weight class seemed physically impossible without compromising battery life. However, factory blueprints reveal that a game-changing, high-density solid-state battery chemistry has circumvented this limitation. By replacing traditional liquid electrolytes with a solid conductive material, energy density is dramatically increased while reducing physical weight. The results are staggering. The Mini 6 Pro delivers a mind-blowing 60 minutes of continuous flight time on a single charge with the standard battery, while keeping the takeoff weight strictly under the legal regulatory limit. You can now execute complex cinematic sequences without the constant anxiety of a draining battery timer. For long-range reliability, the drone debuts the next-generation O5 transmission system. Operating across advanced frequencies and integrating cutting-edge 5G cellular bonding, this transmission creates a rock-solid, high-definition live feed at 1080p and 60 frames per second. Even when flying in dense metropolitan areas with extreme radio frequency interference, the O5 system maintains a flawless connection up to an incredible 25 kilometers. The internal storage has also received a massive boost to 42 gigabytes, allowing you to record hours of high bitrate footage directly onto the aircraft, without worrying about corrupted micro SD cards in the field. The design of the chassis has undergone subtle but critical aerodynamic changes to support this extended flight time and heavier camera payload. The front arms are slightly elongated, housing larger, high-efficiency propellers that spin at a lower frequency to reduce acoustic noise. This makes the drone incredibly quiet, a feature highly sought after by wildlife videographers and low-profile content creators. The folding mechanism has been reinforced with magnesium alloy joints, ensuring that despite the lightweight construction, the frame can withstand high wind resistance up to level 6, which is unheard of for an aircraft of this size class. The global release window for the DJI Mini 6 Pro is locked tight, with official supply chain data pointing toward an autumn launch. The base model is expected to start around $850, while the highly sought-after Fly More combo, which includes the advanced RC remote with a built-in high-brightness screen, extra solid-state batteries, and a multi-device charging hub will sit right around $1,099. When you consider that this palm-sized drone matches or exceeds the image quality, flight time, and safety features of heavy $1,000 enterprise rigs, it represents the highest value-for-money proposition in modern tech. When you look at the entire picture, the Mini 6 Pro represents the absolute death of the small drone compromise. You no longer have to choose between a lightweight drone that avoids strict government regulations and a heavy, expensive cinema drone that delivers professional-grade image quality. The industry has managed to merge both worlds into a single, pocketable powerhouse. If you buy a drone right now, you are spending top dollar on technology that is actively being replaced by a 1-inch stacked sensor, mechanical variable aperture, 6K video, and LiDAR safety systems. The smart move is to protect your investment, save your production budget, and prepare for a true generational leap in aerial filmmaking. Do not make the mistake of buying current-generation hardware when this massive jump is right around the corner. If you want to stay completely ahead of the market and dominate your production workflow, the choice is clear. The technology packed into this sub-250-gram footprint sets a brand-new benchmark that will take competitors years to replicate. Having a true 1-inch sensor, an adjustable mechanical aperture, and solid-state power systems on a drone that fits in a jacket pocket changes everything. It completely eliminates the compromises that content creators have accepted for nearly a decade. The future of aerial cinematography is no longer heavy, loud, and restricted by registration fees. It is compact, incredibly intelligent, and ready to deploy at a moment's notice. The upcoming launch marks a true turning point in portable technology.